thinking about getting Hostinger VPS hosting, there's one mistake that costs people money every single day. Most users spend all their time looking for a coupon code, but they completely overlook the settings and options during checkout that can have an even bigger impact on the total price they pay. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best Hostinger VPS coupon code deal available right now, how to maximize your savings, and what to look for before you complete your order. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 70% off VPS hosting, an exclusive coupon code for an additional discount, free domain registration on qualifying annual plans, significant savings compared to monthly billing. I'll also explain a few common mistakes that can cause people to pay more than necessary. Let's get started. To begin, click the Hostinger VPS discount link in the description below. I've also included the exclusive coupon code next to the link so you can apply it during checkout. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I merit a commission at no additional cost to you if you decide to sign up. You'll still receive the best available pricing. Once you're on the Hostinger VPS hosting page, you'll see several VPS plans available. The first thing to understand is that choosing a VPS isn't just about selecting the largest plan. Many people automatically assume more resources equals a better purchase. In reality, the best VPS plan is usually the one that matches your current needs while still giving you room to grow. If you're launching your first VPS, hosting a website, learning server management, running WordPress, or testing applications, one of the entry-level VPS plans is often more than enough. If you're managing multiple websites, hosting client projects, running Docker containers, using development environments, or expecting higher traffic levels, a mid-tier VPS plan often provides the best balance between performance and cost. The good news is that Hostinger allows you to scale your VPS later if your project grows. So you don't necessarily need to start with the most expensive option. Now let's talk about where the biggest savings usually come from. The monthly billing option may look attractive because of the lower upfront cost, but it typically comes with a much higher monthly rate. If your goal is to get the lowest possible price, longer billing terms provide the largest discounts. This is where many users save substantially over the lifetime of their VPS. Another thing worth checking during checkout is any optional add-ons. Some add-ons can be useful depending on your project, while others may not be necessary for everyone. Taking a minute to review what's included and what you actually need can help reduce your overall cost. One reason Hostinger VPS hosting continues to be popular is because it includes features that many users are specifically looking for, such as full root access, dedicated resources, NVMe SSD storage, multiple server locations, fast VPS deployment, flexible operating system choices, scalability as your project grows. A beginner-friendly management interface. These features make it suitable for everything from websites and applications to the development environments, game servers, Docker projects, and more. Now let's go over how to apply the coupon code. Once you've selected your VPS plan and billing term, proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll see a field where you can enter a promo or a coupon code. Paste the exclusive Hostinger VPS coupon code from the description into the field and apply it. You should then see the updated pricing reflected in your order summary. Before completing your purchase, take one final look at your selected plan, billing term, and any optional add-ons to make sure you're getting exactly what you need without paying for extras you won't use. If you want the best Hostinger VPS deal available right now, click the discount link below in the description and apply the exclusive coupon code during checkout to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.